Okay, so today I am going to show you how to assemble the robot arm and its different parts we have. Okay, in this document, which is on your Canvas page, you have connecting the arms, inserting the peg, connecting the wrist with some optional connections, and then finally connecting the base. Okay, they're really easy steps to follow as long as you can read them and do as it says. Okay. Come in here. I've already placed each part, but remember you go to place, find where you saved it, choose, open, and then you'd place them. Okay, so you should have at the very least arm B, arm A, a wrist, a peg, and a base. So first we're going to connect the arms. We go to constrain, mate, the dotted line of one and the dotted line of the other, hit apply, cancel. Now pull it away or out of itself so they're kind of lined up like that. Then you're going to constrain, flush the side with the side, apply, cancel. Now one should move, it should be free rotating like that. Next we're going to put the peg in. Go to constrain, dotted line of the peg, and dotted line of that one, apply, and then we're going to flush the end of the peg with the side, apply. Okay, so it still should be like that, the peg should be in. Next we're going to put the wrist in, so constrain. The first step you want to do is the peg that should go into the hole, you're going to find dotted line, to dotted line, apply, cancel. Now it may go into itself, so just pull out. I obviously need this flipped, so all I need to do is constrain, and if I want it sticking out a little bit, I go mate, arrow of the face or of the peg, arrow, apply. Okay, so it's sticking out. If I want it flush, I can follow these directions. Constrain, arrow of that face, apply, cancel. And now if you notice, it is no longer sticking out. Okay, it doesn't matter, depends on what kind of wrist you've created. Finally, we are going to connect this to the base. Okay, so first we are going to right click and ground the base. This will help us so this won't move, so we can just put this easily in there. Go to constrain, the dotted line or the center axis of the peg on the bottom to the dotted line of the base, apply, cancel. Now you'll have to pull it out. It may end up like this or way out here. What you want to do is you want to be able to see the bottom of the arm and the top of the base. So go to constrain, we're going to mate, going to zoom in, arrow, to arrow, apply, cancel, zoom out. This should be good, it could rotate. And finally, if you notice, it's still grounded, right click, oops, click on it, right click, grounded, and now the whole thing will move. Okay. Depending on what you want it to look like, it can, it should still move. This may move, and it should look something like that. Then you go to File, Save As, in your folder as Robot Arm. Hit Save, and you should have your final product.